Hi everybody, Dave Matthews again for Champion Trading. What we're showing today, this is a pristine condition Ross laboratory or pilot size homogenizing mixer. We're operating on 230 volt. We're using a clear vessel so you can see the homogenizer operate. The unit has been set up as an explosion-proof unit. However, the former owner chose to add this Lenzi variable speed controller. And you'll see here, then this potentiometer operates from that control, allowing us to turn up the speed. And there's full speed right now. Water becomes a little more cloudy. Incidentally, come around front here, Jim. This is the HSM 100LH1 model. A couple of unusual things about it. It also has, you'll see there's a small arm behind the plastic acrylic container we're using here. This is for a micro switch. If the container is not detected or moves, it'll automatically shut off. Now, it doesn't automatically come back on. That they're using the stop. Then come on this side, Jim, I'll show that to you. They're using the stop as the actual reset. So if that was in, mimicking the container in place, stop, and then start again, and you're ready to start. Yeah, you don't need to do that. I'm just going to show you. Okay. A couple of things. It has an air over hydraulic lift, which is a little unusual to see on these units. It's also explosion proof. It's class 1 C and D, class 2 F and G rated. However, the unit is no longer explosion proof with the addition of the variable speed controller, which is not explosion proof. Everything else is, if you want to restore it to its original equipment. Also, the safety switches, you must depress 2, select raise or lower. Nice, smooth operation from the air over hydraulic lift. There you go. Here's your homogenizing header. It's in 316 stainless steel. The rotating turbine in here. There's also a spare bushing, which is in the top here. This is most commonly on all homogenizers. These do wear out, especially if you're not careful to run them in fluid at all times. Also, what's noted here, there's a small little portal right here. This holds a little post-mounted little beacon thing for your container. A lot of people do take them off. I'm going to show you again. The switch to the lower position. Vents off, and down you can go. Now, also, there's in here, Jim, you come around to my right, please. In here, this is a small flow control. So you can control the speed at which things come down. Here's the head traveling down now. So it goes down a little faster. Had I tighten that up a little bit, it'll actually go even slower. You can actually see that. Really nice unit. We're selling it with the stainless table you see it on. You can easily just secure the base plate down to the table. Be nice and secure, air operated, 223 phase voltage. We have lots of homogenizers, all types of mixing, blending, and process equipment in our stock. So we do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com. Thanks for joining us for this video today.